Okay, my people, this time man on the streets and I dey for inside Pidgin News Network. And I hear we dey get news and tori back to back, front to front, anytime, any day from cross-water and within. And my people, this one is still on Corona matter. And what we dey see now, it dey shock all of us like electric here because we don't touch like me. Some people they dey for one isolation center for this country, but we don't mention the name. So as they dey inside, we can't see that they complain, that they talk, say this suffer on too much. And I will say what happen. They say that some people don't breathe, they come here, say maybe they just dey here, maybe they pretend like say they get coronavirus, and it's as they dey here, so maybe they just they enjoy themselves. If they see visitors they come, may they begin to shake body, may they cough, may they like say they get headache, may they say true they get the corona. My people, they don't come out, they complain saying a lie, nothing like that. Or say they just they here since they suffer. He said even self, the food they give them, no pepper, no salt, no meat inside. Say now which can suffer be this. One I will tell us some more day they enjoy ourselves yet to they suffer. Even doctor will not see anyone, nothing they happen. Why would I keep us here like this? That's why they come the vest they cost. Some of them they say bless some of yourself, when they take us they do Joro, they make money. So that kind of money that they make on our children go suffer for the matter. That's why some of them come they provoke for the matter. They talk say they say this Ojoro done too much. I don't want to come keep them here. They pretend say they get corona. Say see all of us here now we they can't pay. When we come look into the matter, we can compare them with the people who get corona for cross-water and then with the day it come be like say true. The people they decide now malaria they treat them. It can make us remember when see our God Dr. Percy talk. He said when in the isolation center, he said no the difference between the coronavirus and the malaria fever because with the treatment they give them now malaria treatment now they give them for that place. My people now so some people come they provoke for the matter say come this one bless say Ojoro don't too much for inside this level. Now the people inside this isolation center come they complain say come it be like say when they take our life they play Lido. Say when they take our life they play Lido when I no go see 2 6. My people, this now Pidgin News Network and a man on the street be this.